In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Premium not showing up. So if you notice you're playing Roblox, you're searching for different games that you can play here, and you already paid for Premium, but you can really see the get Premium here. It didn't go away when you bought Premium. So one of the things that you could do here is the first re-log in. So you have to log out of your account first and just re-log in and see if that fixes your issue. But if that doesn't fix your issue, there's actually a statement from Roblox that says that it may take 3 days for the premium to reflect on your account. So you just have to wait for a few days. That's just 3 days, and see if that fixes the issue. But after 3 days, you're still seeing the premium. There might be problems on your Roblox account. So the best thing that you could do here is actually contact support. So how do you contact support? So first go to your Roblox account here at and at the upper right corner of your screen you'll see the gear icon here. Just click on it and go to help. Once you help page, just scroll down at the bottom side until you see the contact us link. Just click on it. Here, you'll be able to see a section that says if you need further assistance, review the below information and fill out the support form. So once you've read all of these and you want confirmation, yeah, you could go ahead and go to support form. Here, they'll be asking you username, your first name, your email address, your what the problem you're encountering, or what problem you are encountering it. So if you're doing it on PC or in Android phone, you could select that. So another is category. What type of issue is this? So since this for your account, since you brought premium, so you could include the billing and payments section here, and description. Say that the issue doesn't got away when you bought premium get premium still operating account. You can say that and just hit on submit. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.